Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the Link Model 5200 Moment of Inertia test stand and how to measure the moment of inertia of a wheel and tire assembly. We'll start with mounting the wheel and tire assembly on the machine and taking measurements in both the horizontal and vertical positions. With the assembly inertia recorded, we now have the combined data of the wheel and tire. To isolate the inertia of just the rim, we remove the tire, mount the rim alone onto the machine, and repeat the measurement. Now that we have both the inertia of the complete assembly and the rim by itself, the difference between these two values is the tire's moment of inertia. And just like that, using the Link Model 5200, we've accurately determined the moment of inertia for the wheel and tire assembly, as well as the tire and rim separately.